So hi everybody, Shannon and Karen with Wandering Out Yonder. Today we decided to bring out the kayaks. We are at the tail end of beautiful fall weather here and wanted to take advantage of it. Come paddling around some of our favorite areas.
So we are in Pine Grove Furnace State Park, and Karen was just mentioning about how shallow the water is, and it is. I mean, we're looking at, I'm floating on maybe 4 inches of water here, but we're gonna go over. There's some ducks flying, or geese over there swimming. We're gonna see how close we can get to those. So it was so shallow there. I was actually just doing nothing but bottoming out and stirring up mud. So had to come over here a little bit further out where it's deeper so I can move. The lake seems really low for this time of year already. And we commented when we pulled in that there's still quite a bit of lily pads. So
Out here swimming with the ducks and the geese. Trying to chase them down. See if they'll let us paddle along with them.